Welcome to SUSECon 2023 session. So in this session, we are going to see how TCS Cognix redefines IT infrastructure transformation using SUSE Rancher. I'm Ganesh Kumar from Tata Consultancy Services, also known as TCS. Tata Consultancy Services is an IT services, consulting, and business solutions organization that has been partnering with many of the world's largest businesses in their transformation journey for over 55 plus years. Its consulting led, cognitive powered portfolio of business, technology, and engineering services and solutions is delivered through its unique location independent agile delivery model, recognized as a benchmark of excellence in software development. Today, we are going to discuss about one of our joint solutions named TCS Cognix Enterprise Container as a Service solution developed along with SUSE. On the agenda, we'll start with the team introduction and I'll cover the customer challenges, what we are observing in the industry, and introduce about the TCS Cognix suite and the enterprise container as a service solution. We'll also have a quick demo of the working model and finally close with the business benefits. I'm a container and Kubernetes specialist, and also I lead the container and DevOps technology practice at Cognitive Business Operations in TCS. With me, I also have Mr. Rajan Pillai, who heads the Global Agile Infrastructure practice at Cognitive Business Operations in TCS. So, from the infrastructure practice group, we focus on 30 plus technology offerings, including containers, DevOps, IT resiliency, data management services, automation, observability, etc. So, building turnkey solutions, bringing more value to the business. We have deep relationship with ecosystem partners across the technology spectrum to help customers transform and grow through various products and services. So with this, I'll start with covering the some of the customer challenges what we are observing in the industry. So we all see the containers and microservices with their characteristics of scalability, portability, and agility are becoming the preferred choice for modern software delivery. Also, Kubernetes adoption is increasing continuously year on year and has become the de facto standard for container orchestration. It is also evident that multiple enterprises are in this journey towards cloud native software delivery to achieve a hybrid and multi cloud strategy. However, it is also true that customers are facing challenges in productionizing and operationalizing the Kubernetes platform. So this includes the complexities in managing Kubernetes clusters sprawl from hundreds to thousands of clusters and adhering to security and compliance standards such as CIS benchmark or NIST, etc. Finally, there is also demand for solutions that are scalable across multiple cloud services. So to better address these challenges with a holistic solution, we developed a TCS Cognix Container as a Service model. So before I get into the solution, it would be vital to understand what is TCS Cognix Suite and how it accelerates enterprises in their digital transformation journey. So for that, now I request Mr. Rajan Pillai, the Global Head of Agile Infrastructure Center of Excellence, to brief about TCS Cognix Suite along with its elements and how it is empowering customers in their digital transformation.
Thanks, Ganesh, for the brief introduction and setting the context. Happy to be part of SUSECon 2023. and discuss about our joint solutions like Cognix Container Service with SUSE. As you rightly mentioned, there are challenges, complexities, and risk in IT operations that impact the digital transformation initiatives globally for our customers. Enterprises are focusing on improving service agility, business resiliency, and to empower enterprises to embrace this journey and take competitive edge over their business. We have developed TCS Cognix suite of solutions. TCS Cognix is our AI-driven human-machine collaboration suite. It consists of 700 plus library of pre-built digital assets and solutions. It addresses the entire breadth of IT and business operations across multiple industries. Cognix enables better time to market, leveraging Cognix digital assets and our contextual knowledge of customers globally. To name a few examples, for a healthcare customer to meet its compliance requirements, we have leveraged our Cognix Value Builder for container security remediator and container global golden image factory, which is fully integrated workflow automation that centrally delivers a consistent, hardened, and vulnerability free container based image across the organization. Similarly, for a large pharma chain in US with 1,000 plus retail stores and across the country and serving customers 24 by 7, it was critical for them to ensure reliability and ensure that IT applications are up and running 24 by 7, because any outage in the applications mean customers would not get pharma medicines on time. For this customer, we implemented reliability engineering along with chaos engineering. We ensured reliability testing of the performance and scalability modeling. With this, we are able to reduce their RTO from 24 hours to less than 5 minutes and ensure availability of this critical applications by 100%. TCS Cognix has 700 plus value builders. These value builders are a collection of pre-built configurable assets and digital solutions which bring together multiple digital levers to address specific business objectives of the customer. For examples, our insights and orchestrator value builder helps transforming infrastructure, workflow automation with self-service uh, portals and ready-to-use 30 plus blueprinting for 90% of faster provisioning for our customers. With this, I take this opportunity to thank the team and hand it over to Ganesh.
Thank you, Rajan, for joining us and providing an overview of Cognix suite and how quoting some of the customer experiences that we have done. So with that, now I'll cover what we have developed, the enterprise container as a service solution that includes an automation first approach, starting from the Kubernetes platform provisioning to operating the Kubernetes at scale in a production environment. So, as Kubernetes is just a foundational orchestration layer, so that consists of the solution consists of the other essential components like DevOps, CI/CD tools, infrastructure as a code, the monitoring, security, persistent storage. That all makes it a complete platform. So we have a set of Cognix value builders for container and DevOps. So in terms of automation packages, digital toolkits, which I'll cover in the upcoming slide. So this makes it a holistic solution with all the essential components bundled as a package, but can be consumed in a as a service model with chargeback and showback. So the services come with an quick setup time with our automation first approach from setup to operations, and with extensive platform led approach from data center to cloud and edge locations. There is a full flexibility and control over the entire stack, thereby adhering to security and compliance standards. So this is a typical technology stack. So that includes the infrastructure, the Kubernetes orchestration, and also all the other essential components to run a productionized Kubernetes platform. So this becomes a pre-integrated platform and can be customized based on the needs. So this helps customers to uh, provide their end consumers, the platform consumers, with a robust, resilient container platform built with all the essential components and consumed in a as a service model across their on-prem, private cloud or public cloud environments. So now I would like to cover some of the joint solution accelerators that we have developed along with SUSE. So the first one is an automated platform deployment, so which is a pre-built toolkit that automates the installation and configuration of the platform, saving time taken for the setup. The second one is a automated add gap deployment, so which is an automation package that deploys a fully functional Rancher Kubernetes engine or a similar Kubernetes platform in a completely network disconnected, which is often referred as a air gapped environment. So thereby saving human effort and cost benefits. The third is a digital container platform estimator, so which is a digital accelerator that simplifies the design and capacity planning of a Rancher platform across the hybrid cloud and helps in right sizing with the industry best practices. The last but not the least, the container golden image factory, so which Rajan covered in the session while speaking about the Cognix suite of solutions. So with this, I would like to cover some of the use cases that we see prominent for this solution. The first one is offering a private cloud container as a service or a Kubernetes as a service model with multi-tenancy. This could be at a container level or namespace project level or even a cluster level of bringing multi-tenancy for optimized consumption model within the organization. The second use case is Kubernetes based cognitive platform, which is a preferred modern platform, especially for product quality testing, quality assurance, defect analysis, and predictive maintenance. And the third use case is how do you manage centrally managing the sprawls of Kubernetes cluster? It could be distributed across your data centers or private cloud and even the public cloud landscape. And the fourth use case is Kubernetes based platforms delivered in a factory model. For example, you have the application running in your customer landscape and modernizing this application where you'll have to perform repetitive Kubernetes cluster build and deployment, so which is the delivering Kubernetes clusters in a factory model. So with this, I would like to now cover about the what is something unique that we bring in part of this solution. So as we all see, technology agility, business resiliency, security, and governance have become the core pillars for building resilient IT in an organization. So TCS and SUSE are in a strategic partnership to drive this digital transformation, bringing more value to business and the environment through our joint solution accelerators, which we discussed. It could be the enterprise container as a service solution or the continuous software delivery from data center to edge locations. For example, a European communication and media customer was facing challenges in moving all the workloads to public cloud due to their security and compliance standard. so for which they needed a fully functional container as a service within their data center. So we implemented a container as a service solution within their on-prem setup. So this transformed the approach to consume the cloud native workloads. Thereby, this resulted in a fully functional on-prem container as a service solution, meeting their security and compliance standards. So this is an example for a joint collaboration between both TCS and SUSE that resulted to achieve together the benefit and create value to our customers. And I'm very sure, confident that we'll be doing more in the upcoming years too. So with this, I would like to now show a working model of this setup. So this is a reference architecture of the fully functional container as a service. So we have a central management cluster, and there are multiple Kubernetes clusters deployed, and also dedicated infra and worker nodes, storage nodes distributed. So we also have the DevOps, DevSecOps set of solutions for CI/CD operation that includes CI/CD part, registry, artifactory, testing, and automation. And also it includes the observability and FinOps set of solutions. So this is the a typical no, container as a service solution that we have built, which includes a set of Kubernetes clusters. As you see here, Rancher Kubernetes engine and other Kubernetes clusters deployed. So which has a set of worker nodes and workloads running in the clusters. So this is the entire landscape of clusters deployed, where this can be extended to Kubernetes clusters running in the cloud also, which can be managed centrally. And we have done the other integrations for, let's say, for CI/CD using GitLab is used for the source code management, and we also have the CI/CD, the continuous integration through Jenkins, and then the code testing performed using SonarQube. Also, the container security is managed using Aqua, so which gives the image security or host level security, altogether the cluster security, which is covered. And the secrets are managed through secret management, HashiCorp, or a similar solution. So we have also configured dashboards to give the usage and performance of the cluster. And also we have configured to show chargeback and showback models. This would give the cost of container running in your environment, let it be in terms of the CPU cost or memory or storage. These dashboards can be customized to give a granular resource allocation. So these are some of the dashboards that are created. And also we have the sample workloads that is deployed on this environment. So with this, I would like to summarize with the benefits. So like we saw, the enterprise cache solution is a secure and production grade built with an automation first approach. Overall, I would like to highlight the benefits for the customers. So the solution helps faster time to market with cloud native container based platform for software delivery, and accelerate the innovation aligned with open source based solutions, and a tighter control over the security and compliance. So altogether, I hope the session was informative and useful. Thank you for watching, and looking forward to see you in another informative session in future. Thank you.